Okay, welcome back. Until now, we have created the navigation through link component. You see, by through link component, merely use the link, but we can navigate to every component programmatically also by use router. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so for that, I am giving some example. You see, this is page.js, JSX, and I am creating a button over here. And inside button, on click, navigate to home page. Okay, and const so navigate to home page. I'm giving router dot push. This is home page, but it should be router. So from where I am getting the router, it will come from const router equal to use router. Okay, and it will not from router, it will next navigation. Okay, and I'm giving a class name. No, this is not the class name. I'm giving a class name of it, empty margin top 6 px 4 py 2 bg blue .500 text white rounded. Okay, and inside the button, go to home page like that, and it will give error is because this is client component, this is server component, but I am using use router, so we need to declare use client. Okay, so I hope it will be solved, and let's check everything is all right. Let's go to the blog, and yeah, we are navigating programmatically. This time we are not using link component like that. You see, this is link component. So now we are navigating to programmatically. So when we click on click, this function triggers and it will pushing to home page. Okay, so let's see home page. So thank you very much. I hope you have understood it. If not, let me know. And along with that, I wanna create another page, and that is not found page. Okay, or 404 page you can say. And sometimes say I have no page like that, say contact, so it is redirecting by default 40 page, but this page is ugly, so we can create the page according to our necessity. You can call it a custom build. So custom page. So for that, what we need to create a page. Its name is not found page. Okay, not found dot, this is not the page. I'm creating a direct page over here. See, inside app not found.txt. Okay, so inside the page I'm creating a file not found. It will give error. Okay, this is not found page. So inside that I am creating a div and give it a class name text center, and inside div create JSON and this is 404 page and give it a style by tailwind text 6XL font bold text gray text gray 900 and below I am p tag and say page not found. Class name empty4 text 2XL text gray 700. Okay, and give another p and the page you are looking for does not exist. Okay, and give it a class name empty2 text gray 500 and below p I'm writing a link to navigate and go back to home and bring link component from next link and give it a swap and give it a class name and class name empty6 inline block busy blue. Okay, so let's see what is happening over here. So page not found, so it's getting a different style. Okay, so go back to home. So if I go once again, contact, yeah, it's working, but previously the page was ugly.